Good morning, students. Welcome back to online classes. So, today we will study chapter 4 of English literature, that is Aarti Shah or Aarti Saha. So, let's get started. In 1999, the Department of Posts of India issued a new postage stamp. Now, we all knew about the postage stamps that looks like this, and we use for postals etc., in which we stick the stamp on our letters or couriers etc. Okay, so the Department of Posts of India issued a new postage stamp. Against the cerulean backdrop of this stamp was the googled face of a female swimmer. Now, what is the meaning of cerulean? You can see here cerulean means deep sky blue color. Now the color of the stamp, the background color of the stamp was the deep sky blue color, in which there was a photo, Google photo or Google face of a female swimmer. Okay, so why it is of blue color? Because the color of water is blue, that's why it is given blue color. Now unknown to mostly people was not known about this swimmer. Okay, Aarti Saha had scripted a record by being the first Indian woman to swim across the English Channel. Now, what is the meaning of scripted? Here said. Now, Aarti Saha was the first Indian woman who crossed the English Channel. Okay, so it is a record made by her. The English Channel lying between southern England and northern France extend over an area of 560 kilometers. So what is English Channel? English Channel lie between southern England and northern France. And what is the length of that channel? That is 560 kilometers. 560 kilometers she swimmed. Okay, and she made a record. Now, characterized by strong tides which change direction every 6 hours. Now, what is the characteristics of English Channel? That it has tides and it has waves that change the direction in every 6 hours, and it is very difficult for the swimmer to swim in a channel or in a sea, in a lake where tides change the directions and unpredictable wind directions. Now we know that wind direction decides the direction of the waves. So there are unpredictable wind directions. The waters are choppy. Now what is the meaning of choppy? Rough and full of waves. Okay, the waves are so very high and the water is so rough that is you have to show so much strength and potential to cross that and to swim over that sea or channel. At the worst they are bravely navigable. और जब बहुत worst में होते हैं, जब बहुत ख़राब situation होती है, then it is barely navigable. You can't see and you can't find the directions in the sea, that where you are going right or you are going wrong. By 1927, the English Channel has acquired notoriety as virtually impassable by swimming. Now, what is the meaning of notoriety? Infamy, bad reputation. Now, English Channel in 1927 acquired a bad reputation that it is virtually impassable. It is impossible to pass the channel by swimming. Less than 10 swimmers had been able to cross the channel successfully. Okay, until the Channel Swimming Association CSA issued notices promising to acknowledge the achievement of swimmer who managed to cross the channel, and very few ventured to cross the dangerous water. Now, until the Channel Swimming Association had to see that the swimmer that wants to cross the channel has the potential to manage it or not. Means just like you have to give exam that you have the potential and you are capable of passing the channel, and very few ventured, mean very few swimmers undertook the risk to cross the dangerous waters. Now, it was in 1958 that the first breakthrough in the race came about for swimmer for the first Indian subcontinent. Now, it was 1958 and the first breakthrough in the race came for swimmers. Okay, that there was a competition to cross the English Channel. So and there was a swimmer that is from Indian subcontinent. What was the name of the swimmer? The name was Brojan Das, a Bangladeshi swimmer trained in Kolkata, became the first Asian person to swim across the channel. To cross the channel, he had swum across the 42-mile stretch from Cape Greene. Okay, the pronunciation is Cape Greene. This is another channel that is 42-mile stretch, and he crossed that channel and created a breakthrough for the swimmers in France. This channel is in France, to Sandgate in England. Okay, along with the numerous accolades for his performance. Now Brojan Das got numerous accolades, means numerous awards and privilege for his performance. Das also received a heartfelt letter of congratulations from fellow swimmer Aarti Saha. Now Aarti Saha also sent a heartfelt congratulations letter to him to congratulate and facilitate him. Now Aarti, with her spectacular record of winning 22 state level. Now Aarti was a spectacular swimmer, and she made many records and won 20,000 state level competitions between 1946 and 1951. Was fairly well known among swimmers, as she won so many prizes and she made so many records. So she was very famous among the swimmers, and Brojan Das was already known to her, and he also know her, and so she sent a letter of congratulations. By the time Das achieved this feat, however, Aarti had all but withdrawn herself from international events over tremendous disappointments following her unexpected failures at the 1952 Helsinki Olympics. Now Aarti gave up, and she decided that she will not participate in any international event over tremendous disappointment, as she was facing continuously unexpected failure, and she failed at the 1952 Helsinki Olympics. So she decided that she will not participate in international events like this of swimming. So Das, however, recognized Aarti's extraordinary talent. Now Das was aware of Aarti's extraordinary talent of swimming and began to urge her, began to persuade her, began to press her to replicate his achievement. Replicate means to repeat his achievement, means to try again. And to participate in the competition. In addition, he proposed her name to the organizers for the next year's event. Okay. Aarti took up the challenge and started training rigorously for the event. Rigorously means extremely thoroughly. So Aarti got influenced by Das, and she decided that she will participate, and now she started training rigorously for the event. Meanwhile, preparation began to support Aarti in his endeavor. What is the meaning of endeavor? Endeavor means attempt. Now Aarti has decided to take the attempt. So people started making preparations for her, because we also need financial support to participate in any international events. So it was not easy matter to arrange for the funds required for the participation in the overseas event, as she had to go to England, and at that time we need a lot of money. Now also we need a lot of money to go somewhere and live there and participate in the event. So we need financial support. So Mihir Sen, the first Indian to swim across the English Channel, started organizing fundraisers for Aarti. So Mihir Sen, who was the first Indian to swim across the English Channel, started organizing funds. Now he started organizing funds for Aarti. When the funds still fell short, he, along with the secretary of Hatkola Swimming Association, where Aarti got trained, appealed to the then Chief Minister. At that time, Chief Minister was Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy, and the Prime Minister was Jawaharlal Nehru. So they both appealed to them that we need financial support and we need to represent our country, and we need to go there and participate in the event. So luckily both of them were keenly interested, were very interested to support Aarti in Aarti's efforts and assured to help arrange her trip. Now what is the meaning of assured? They promised to do something, that they promised that we will give you the money as much as possible for us. Now when Aarti reached England, very few expected her to make a mark. Now nobody was expecting much from Aarti, as she got failed in 1952 Helsinki Olympics. On the day of the competition, her pilot boat arrived late. Now the pilot boat, we need a pilot boat for the swimmers, so her pilot boat arrived late, and the English Channel was the Mount Everest of swimming, as Mount Everest were mountainous, that is English Channel for swimmers, and the odds hardly favored Aarti. What is the meaning of odds hardly favored? Means chances were against her. Chances were against Aarti, as she got late and nobody was expecting much from him, who had begun swimming 40 minutes after the race began. Now it was hard luck for her that she began her race after 40 minutes after the starting of the race. Even as she braved the strong current, her pilot began to pressurize her to quit. Her pilot himself is saying to quit because it is now impossible for her to cross the channel 5 miles away from the English coast. Now 5 miles were left for Aarti to complete the channel. Aarti finally gave in. She gave up. She get into the boat again, and that time she also got failed. But the next time, however, she didn't give up. At the next time, resolving to participate a second time. What is the meaning of resolving? Resolving meaning making her mind up. Now she made her mind that she will participate again. So she trained again, and on 29 September 1959 she battled rough waves and powerful current to reach Sandgate in 16 hours and 20 minutes. Now she crossed in 16 hours and 20 minutes up to Sandgate, which is the fastest speed clocked by an Indian woman of her time. Clock means recorded, means she made a record again here. In 1960, the government of India awarded Aarti the Padma Shri to felicitate her determination. Now to congratulate her determination, the government awarded her with Padma Shri. Indomitable spirit and outstanding courage. Indomitable spirit means that she didn't give up after so many we can see that she got so many problems, so many issues, but still she didn't give up. She was the first Indian female sportsman to be awarded India's 4th highest civilian award. Now she was the first Indian sportsman who get the 4th highest civilian award, that is Padma Shri. So this chapter is a bit of biography of Aarti Saha, in which we can see that how if we try for something we win over it, and how our expectations and our hope over a thing can made us win anything, whatever we want, whether it is tough, whether it is easy, and we must be get influenced by this story, by this event of Aarti Saha. Thank you, and if you have any doubt regarding this chapter, you can contact me personally.